Congratulations on purchasing a swing, slide, climb Hut Cubby. This video will show you how to assemble your playset. When assembling and installing your playset, always follow the safety information at the back of your manual. Unpack all the included parts and check them against the printed manual. Now secure the front and side panel using 3 35mm screws. Repeat this for the other side panel. You may find it easier to turn the cubby house around at this stage. Secure the back panel to the attached side panels. Use 6 35mm screws. Attach the side window boxes with 2 35mm screws. For the roof, take one of the panels and slide it over the cubby house. Secure it with 4 40mm screws. Repeat this for the other roof panel. Slide the joining beam over the apex of the roof and secure it with 4 30mm screws. Finally, attach the small end panels to the front and back of the cubby house. Secure with 2 30mm screws. Repeat for the other side. For maximum longevity, it's highly recommended you apply an initial 3 coats of paint, lacquer or exterior oil to all timber before using the playset. Your Sandalford cubby house is now complete.